Located only about 3 miles off the historic town square of Covington, Georgia, with fantastic shopping, dining, and entertainment, is the Riverwalk Farm subdivision. Riverwalk Farm is home to fantastic amenities like this resort-style pool with slide, huge clubhouse with full kitchen, workout facilities, plus 4 lit tennis courts, covered volleyball and basketball courts, playground and soccer field. And just a quick walk away is my latest listing of 10 Sagebrush Trail. Hi, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. This home is a very well-maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story featuring a master on the main, a truly open floor plan, a kitchen with granite countertops, gas cooking, and a full view of the family room with its 2-story ceilings. The home has been freshly painted and just received a brand new roof. It sits on this corner lot next to neighborhood green space, and it has a large open flat backyard, perfect for entertaining. My sellers and I obtained a pre-listing appraisal on the home, so you can even be sure the price is right. Stick around after your tour and I'll show you what the city of Covington and the local area has to offer in the way of shopping, dining, and entertainment. Come on in and let's take a look around. So the home is just half the picture, right? So let me give you a quick tour of what this local historic town of Covington, Georgia and the surrounding area has to offer. This home is less than 4 miles off the Covington Square, also known as the Hollywood of the South, as multiple movies and TV shows have been or are currently being filmed here. You'll find great locally owned restaurants such as the famous Mystic Grill. This is where you'll find the best cocktails and shrimp and grits in town. Be sure to meet your friends or enjoy dinner with the locals at the bar or enjoy its rooftop seating with live entertainment some nights. And all this is overlooking the town square. No better place to enjoy town festivals and concerts throughout the year. Just off the square is the newly renovated Legion Field. We often see music events using its newly built shell amphitheater stage, or carnivals come by on a regular basis, and even the occasional food truck Friday. Back on the square, custom build your own pizza just the way you like it at the newly opened Your Pie. Come bring your own finger food and a bottle of wine and take art classes at the Wild Art Studio. No better place to satisfy your sweet tooth after dinner than Scoop's Ice Cream and Sweet Shop. Enjoy your choice in one of the comfortable rocking chairs. Also newly opened is our very own Irish Pub, also offering outdoor seating on its open-air balcony overlooking the square. Be sure to visit Irish Bread Pub and Restaurant for the best fish and chips and another great place for live entertainment. The locally owned bike shop can introduce you to the miles of paved paths we have around town for a bike ride or just an evening walk. Don't miss the Town Square Olive Oil Tasting Gallery. If you love to shop, you'll have no shortage of locally owned small boutiques and consignment shops scattered all around town. Pick up a bottle of wine or sample small craft beers from around the world at Cork Boutique and Gifts. All the typical chain stores and restaurants are here too. Plenty of golf to choose from in the area. Beautiful places to go hiking are just a short drive away. You can be on the Yellow River from this home within 10 minutes to enjoy picnicking, fishing, or kayaking. Locally owned kayak shop, Roth Adventures, host evening glow paddles down the river a few times a year, which are always great fun. So if you have any questions or you need additional details about this property or you'd like to schedule your own private showing, call me at 404-803-4669. I can also be reached via email at chris.may@coldwellbankeratlanta.com. I'd love to hear from you. If you're thinking about listing your home, please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button at the top of the screen to learn more. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.